Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, beta. Good morning, all of you.
फोन काय बोलायचं?
ठीक आहे ठीक आहे.
चालू झालं पप्पा. हॅलो.
Good morning, all of you. And
Good morning.
okay, good. Very good morning. Just turn off your windows, beta. Okay. Now let me do the setting. Are going to unmute. Okay, good morning, all of you. Let me add some parents. Okay, Kirti teacher, just raise your hand so that I can come to know. Yes, Kritika teacher. Kritika teacher, you are not joined properly. So just rejoin once again. Your audio is not coming. You can see that symbol, audio symbol, mic symbol is not there. So just rejoin once again. Kritika teacher. Kritika teacher, can I make you the host now? Where are you? Hello, Kritika teacher. Hello, Kritika teacher. Hello, Kritika teacher. The student, please rename yourself. First your name, then surname. Then you have to give your standard division and your roll number. Okay, are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? I want your name, your surname, and then हेलो कृतिका. हाँ, ओके ओके, करते करते एक सेकंड. Okay, now your Kritika teacher is there.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Kritika teacher, please make me the host, co-host.
Yes, yes, 1 minute, teacher.
Make me the co-host, please.
Teacher, what is your name? You have changed or what? Okay, just a minute, huh? Yes, good morning, students. Am I audible to everyone?
Teacher, your voice is very low.
Hello. 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 Teacher, 1 2 3 4 5 6 कौन है? Hello. Hello.
Thank you, Kritika teacher, but your voice is very low. Please raise your voice.
Yes, students, my voice is audible to everyone.
Yes, teacher, yes.
Okay, so students, good morning, everyone. In our last lecture, students, before you went for your exams preparation, what did we see? We have studied about something, yes? We have studied about which topic did we study? We have studied about the directions and the maps, yes? We have studied about the direction and the maps. So what did we study in the direction and the maps? We have seen about the various directions, the 4 main directions, yes? We have studied about the 4 main directions, and we have also seen how the maps are useful for us, yes?
Kritika teacher, before starting, just tell the student to rename themselves. Their name,
Okay, okay.
surname, standard division, and the roll number. Because some of
Okay,
the
okay.
students are not
Yes, yes,
given their.
students, so before we start with our lecture, I want everybody to rename yourself. Students, kindly rename yourself because the teacher is not able to see your exact name. You have to write your name, your surname, your standard division, okay? So I give you 2 minutes. You have to do
And
it
the roll
fast.
number also, teacher. And the roll number.
And the roll number also. Students are still joining. So we will start when. Hello? Yes, students, I give you 2 minutes. You have to rename yourself. You have to write your name, standard division, and roll number also. So make it fast. Who is this Oppo A3s? You have to rename yourself. Okay, so shall we start with our lecture?
Okay, students. Where is the teacher? Kritika teacher, you can unmute yourself. Kritika teacher.
Yes, yes, teacher. Hello? Hello?
Okay, students. Kritika teacher is.
Hello?
Huh. Teacher, your voice is very low. Just
Hello, students, my voice is
Kritika
audible to
teacher, your
everyone.
voice is very low. Just raise your voice.
Hello? Okay, students, we will start with our lecture. Okay. So what did we study last time? We have seen about the directions and the maps. Yes. Now what I told you.
Kritika teacher,
Now,
you want me to continue so that I can continue?
okay, teacher, you start. I will start the screen share then. Hello.
Okay, students, teacher is about to show you some maps and the directions which you are going to just follow that. Okay, teacher will show you some PPT which you have seen about the lesson from the
Okay,
third standard EVS.
students. Now, students, can everybody see the screen?
Yes, teacher, yes.
Okay, now what did we start? We have started with the directions and the maps. Now, what is the meaning of the directions? Yes, the directions can be used to tell the exactly where an object is located. Yes, we have seen that there are four main directions. We have already studied about the four main directions, and that was the east, west, north, and south. We have seen about these directions. Yes, I've already told you about this direction. This was being discussed before also. Now, students, we will learn about this topic in detail. Okay. Now, what is the use of directions in map? Why these directions are used in map? Now, students, all the directions are having their own various ways of describing. Now, we will study about the district, state, and country. We all know about the district, state, and country. Yes, you must have heard about the district, state, and country. Now, students, in that topic, we will study about the continent. What is the meaning of continent? A vast section of land on earth is called a continent. On the earth, there is a section is there. On the earth, there is a land. There is a section of the land that is known as the continent. Now, what is ocean? Have you ever seen an ocean? Have you heard about the oceans anytime? On the earth, the surface of the salt water which occupies the place is known as the ocean. Yes, there is a surface on the earth that is occupied by the salt water, and that is known as the ocean. Now, our earth is also called the world. Yes, our earth is also called the world. Now, there are different types of maps which are used to study the different locations and the different places. Now, first we will study about the map of Maharashtra. We all know about Maharashtra, yes? It is our state. About the Maharashtra state, yes, Maharashtra state. We are staying in our Maharashtra state now. So this is the map of Maharashtra, and there are different places located in the state of Maharashtra. Now, this map is used to identify the various places located in the state of Maharashtra. Now, can you see there are different places located in the map? You can see Pune is there, Ahmednagar is there, Nashik is there, Jalgaon is there. All these places are located in the state of Maharashtra. So this map is useful to identify the places that is located in the map of Maharashtra. Now we will study about the map of India. Yes, we will study about the map of India. We all have seen about the map of India. Yes. Even the map of India is used for identifying the different places that is located in the map. Okay, now there is a place called Jammu Kashmir. Can you see on the top? On your right hand side, you can see the different places like Assam is there, Arunachal Pradesh is there, Manipur is there. Then come to your left side, you can see the different places located on the left side. Rajasthan, Gujarat is located on the left hand side. Whereas on the bottom of the map, you can see Karnataka is there, Kerala is there, Tamil Nadu is there. All these places are located in the different ways, in the different directions. So all these places are very important, which are located in the map of India, and all they are located in the east, west, north, and south of the directions. Now, have you ever seen a globe? Yes, have you ever seen a globe, the world map? Yes. Now, can you see how the world map looks? It is divided into yes, can you see the world map? There are different places located on the world map. So all these maps and directions are useful in reading all these places, all these directions and maps are used for locating the different places in the different maps. So this was about what we have studied, because we have already studied about the topic, the direction and the map, and I told you that the few part was remaining to explain. And this was for the students who have already studied for third A. The lecture was already done for third A, and this was for the students who was not there, who didn't attend the lecture and standard third B also. So everybody is cleared with the maps and directions. Yes. We have already studied about the directions and the maps before. We have already learned. So everybody understood about the topic? Yes. Put a Y, type a Y in your chat box.
Teacher, they can touch to the participant and give yes.
Okay. No, they are sending. They are sending. Okay, means you all are aware of the topic that we have studied. Yes. So I will ask you few questions and you have to tell me. Okay, you have to tell me what did we study? What was the topic we have studied today? What was the topic did we study today? Which topic we have studied today? Who will tell me? You have to type in your chat box the name of the topic. What topic did we study? Okay, Ananya, tell me which topic did we study today? What was the topic that we have? Okay, it was about direction. Very good, Rajveer. Directions. And who will tell? Okay, direction. And what did we see? What did I showed you? I have also showed the maps. Yes. We have also seen the different types of maps. Yes. Okay, it was map. Very good, Nishan. Map of India. Yes, directions and map. The name of the topic was directions and map. And which map did we see? Map of India was there. And which two more map I showed you? Yes, it was globe was there. That was the world map. And which map? One more map was there, na? Yes, Maharashtra. The map of Maharashtra. So we have studied about the three maps. We have seen about three maps. The map of Maharashtra was there. The map of India was there, and world map was there. So all these maps are of different in their own different ways, and all the places are different from each other. You have seen that the places are also located in different directions. Some of the places are located in the east direction, some of the places are located in the west direction, and some are located in the north and the south direction. Yes, so all these places are located in the directions. Now what did we study? Which four direction did we study? Who will tell me the four directions we have studied? Who will tell me the four directions? Yes, Jia, tell me the four directions we have studied. East, west, north,
Yeah,
south.
you can
Okay.
unmute.
Jia? Okay, Nishad, very good. Very good, Arya. Okay, we have studied about the east. Yes, very good, Ashutosh. Very good, Amol. Okay, now I will show you one video regarding this topic. Okay. Students, can everybody see the video? Hello, students. The video is visible to everyone.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, okay.
Teacher, voice is not coming, so just go in the setting and make enable the sound in Zoom
Just a
setting.
minute.
In
Just a
Zoom
minute.
setting.
Yes, yes, just a minute.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now everybody can hear the
On that
voice.
side of you is the teacher's table.
The voice is audible to
Your
everyone.
answers and the answers of the
Yes,
girls,
yes, teacher.
some
Okay.
of you are different, aren't they? Why is it so? Well, let me tell you. If the blackboard is to your right, it will be on the left of the girl or boy standing in front of you. If the blackboard is behind
Teacher,
you,
video's voice is very low, but
the girl or
No,
boy
teacher, the voice is
facing
full
you.
from here.
can't hear.
The same way, your answers
From my side, it is everything is okay, teacher. The video sound is also okay because it is on the full volume only.
Okay, teacher, let it video. Just show the video.
and the teacher's table
Already done for the student. It was just a revision for them.
also be different from those of the girl or boy facing you. It is difficult to make out the location of an object based on answers like on the right, on the left, in front of, and behind. Therefore, in order to tell exactly where an object is located, we use directions. Try this. Now we will use directions to find the answers to the same questions. With your teacher's help, write the names of the 4 main directions on the walls of your classroom. Now, stand
Teacher, just
either
pause the video for 2 minutes. I want to talk with the parents.
Okay, okay.
Okay, parents, actually some of the students are not joined properly. That's why again and again sending message that teacher I can't hear you. I will take the name Anaya, Galaxy J2, Oppo A5, Ovia 3rd B, Shlok Jagannath. These are the parents who have not joined properly. Because you can see over your name, you don't have your micro button. Teacher, can you show that screen?
Which one, teacher?
Participants name. Okay, show me the last one.
1 minute, teacher.
The parents, you are not having microphone button. See, other parents are having that. You can see. Just rename yourself and join properly. Whenever the microphone button is not there, that time you people are not able to hear. Teacher, same list, but and the last name, Oppo and J7, that.
Just 1 minute, teacher.
Yeah, sure. This is the first lecture, so parents just try to understand what are the problems we are facing. If you people are not joined properly, if you are not having your rename properly, you can see other students. And here you
Galaxy
can have,
J2. Oppo
just a
A5.
minute. Teacher, just use the annotation and just circle that microphone buttons, those who are not having. Annotation. You can use the pen.
1 minute,
Just click,
teacher.
yes, that annotation and just circle that.
See,
This is the
Galaxy
first
J2
thing we
is
have
there.
to do. Yes. See this red color, red. You can see the others are having microphone button and you people are not having that. So that means that you have not joined properly. Do that. Just rejoin once
one,
again.
one.
Your network problem is there. You can see the other parents are having red microphone button, mute button. Okay, so
Yes,
that
all
thing
are
is
the
necessary.
mic
And you
button
people,
only this. Ananya, J2, Galaxy J7, please rename yourself.
and Vedant also. Vedant, write your name, surname, standard division, and roll number. We have to take the attendance beta so that you will put absent in that. Okay, teacher, you can continue now.
One more is there, Galaxy J7.
Yes, teacher.
Students, please rename yourself.
This is the first day we are allowing you to sit in the class, but from tomorrow, if your name is not proper in that, we are just going to remove yourself and we are not going to add you in the class.
Yes,
So
and you will be marked
think
absent
that
also.
for your sake only we are doing this. For your attendance should be marked that these students was there in the class and they have attended the lecture. That's why we want you to rename yourself. Okay, thank you parents and all. Teacher, you can continue now.
Okay, okay.
Tell each other the direction in which the blackboard being told. On each table are located. Now use your answers and the answers of the girl or boy facing you to read the same. Directions can be used to tell exactly where an
Teacher,
object
your voice is not coming properly.
Teacher, the volume is full only,
Yes.
teacher.
Now it's coming.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
okay.
let us learn how to find the directions. The four main directions are east, west, north, and south. How do we find them? Well, let me help you in that. The direction in which the sun is the east. The direction in which the sun sets
Teacher,
is
just
the
share
west.
your screen. You are showing that participant name. Just share your video screen. On the screen, your participant names are showing, not the video.
Now it has stopped.
No, teacher. Just go back, stop screen sharing, and again start sharing.
Now you can see.
No, teacher.
My screen.
Yes, teacher. Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
If we stand facing east,
Now you can see the
the
video.
west is behind us. At the same time, the north is to our left and the south is.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, okay.
Now try this activity in the open at sunrise. It will help you to understand directions better. Frame this. A large frame is given below. Your house is at the center of the frame. The frame has a yellow strip on each of its four sides for writing the directions. On which side of your house does the sun rise? That side is the east. In the yellow strip on the side of the house where the sun rises, write east. In the strip on the side opposite to the east, write west. North and south will be written in the remaining two strips. Think carefully where they would be and write down the words in the proper strips. In the frame, show the following things near your house in the right places. Number 1. Neighboring houses. Number 2. One shop near your house. Number 3, one tree. Number 4, the road nearby. Number 5, the bus stop nearby. Now see what your neighborhood looks like. Do you know? Number 1, the sun rises and sets every day. That is why the sun is used to determine directions. Number 2, the magnetic needle in a compass always lies in the north-south direction. Ask your teacher or parents to show it to you. What's the solution? Sai and Abhay have been asked to solve this problem. Can you help them? A. In this picture, the east is marked. Use that to write the other directions in the yellow boxes. Now, opposite of east, we will have west. On the right hand side, we will have north, while on the left hand side of the east is south. B. In which direction do we travel to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop? Well, we will travel in the east direction if we want to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop. C. Amir wants to go to the ice cream shop. In which
Kritika teacher, your video is not visible. Only the participant name is showing.
Now also,
Yes, teacher.
because I have already done that setting.
Again, stop sharing and do it again.
Now it has stopped.
Yes, teacher.
Now you can see the screen, teacher.
Yes, yes, teacher.
Okay.
side,
Now,
we will have north, while on the left hand side of the east is south.
teacher, the video is visible.
Yes, teacher. Yes, yes.
Okay,
In
okay.
which direction do we travel to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop? Well, we will travel in the east direction if we want to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop. C. Amir wants to go to the ice cream shop. In which direction he must walk? In order to go to the ice cream shop, Amir must walk towards the west direction. D. Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. In which direction must she go? Sarah must go to the north direction. Use of directions in maps. In a map, directions are always shown. They are indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. The directions on the map have to be matched with the directions on the ground before reading the map. That is, the map must be aligned with the direction on the ground. For example, the east on the map must be matched to the east of your surroundings. By doing this, you can tell at once the directions of the places shown on a map. Use this method while reading the maps in your textbook too. Use your brain power. Number 1. Stand facing the rising sun. In which direction is your right ear? In which direction is your left ear? Well, if I'll be standing facing rising sun, my right ear is in the south direction and the left ear is in the north direction. Number 2. In which direction will your shadow fall at sunset? At the sunset, the shadow would fall in the east direction. District, state, and country. India is my country. We have been reading this sentence pledge ever since I've read the words nation and world. In this textbook too, you will find the words
लोग क्या कहेंगे का डर भुलाओ, स्माइल करो और शुरू हो जाओ कॉलगेट।
earth, world, country, state, district, taluka, and village in many places. Come, let us get to know district, state, country, the earth, and world. We live in a house. Our houses are built on land. This land is spread very far and wide. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Like continents, salt water too occupies the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. The earth is also called the world. There are many countries on the land on the earth. The countries are made up of several states. We live in the state of Maharashtra, and you know that. Our country, India, is made up of map of your district, your state, India, and the world have been given in this lesson. Complete the activities based on the maps. Do you know the index in a map? Symbols, pictures, signs, and different shades of colors are used to present the information in a map. A list of these symbols, etc., is given along the map. This list is called the index. The index helps us to understand the map. A map of our country is given below. The capital, New Delhi, is also shown on the map. Find our Maharashtra state on the map of our country and color it. Well, here is Maharashtra. Let's color it then.
पलक आप मुझे दिख नहीं रहे हो पलक अनन्या आप भी नहीं दिख रहे हो मुझे हाँ अभी अनन्या दिख रही है
A map of the world is given below.
good morning
Land, that is continents, is also shown in white, and water, that is in the form of oceans, is shown in blue. This special map has been created so that all the lands and the water on earth can be seen at a glance. In the map of the world given below, color the part labeled India. Color the box next to the map in the same color and write India in the dotted line. This is our country.
कोई बात नहीं, हम प्रेयर स्टार्ट करें जब तक सब नहीं आ जाते.
Let us see what we have learned. The four main directions. The use of the directions given on a map. An introduction to our
Okay, students. I hope you have revised all the teachers which teacher have shown. Okay. You have maps and directions. Everything was given by the teacher. Are you able to understand what the teacher has given? If yes, then go into the participant and just click on the yes button. Where you will go? You will touch to the participant and just click on the yes. Very good, Amol. Very good, beta. Very good, all of you. That means whatever you have learned, you have revised. Yes, very good, very good. Don't give me answer from the chat box. Whenever the teacher will ask question and answer, that time you people are going to give me the answers through the chat box. But if I'll ask you the yes and no, that time you have to touch to the option participant. The second last options from your lower side. You can touch to the participant and you just go to the yes or no. Okay, very good students. Everyone have understood. Everyone have understood. Yes, Rudra, what you want to talk? Rudra wants to talk. Yes, Rudra, what's your problem? Yes, Rudra, unmute yourself. Tell me what's your problem. Rudra, just tell me what's your problem, beta. You can unmute yourself. You don't have any issue. Don't raise your hand. Just touch to the participant and give me the yes. Okay, very good. Ashutosh, don't raise your hand. If you have any problem, then only you have to raise your hand. Yes, Ashutosh, what's your problem?
टीचर गलती से हो गया.
Yes, Ashutosh, you can talk. Okay, Rudra wants to talk. Yes, Rudra. Galaxy J2. Your voice is why it is not coming. The parents, those who can hear, please see that the microphone button should be there. Okay, Galaxy J7.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what's your problem? those who have the problems will talk later on. All the parents just understand that your attendance is very important for all of us. Today's first lecture, that's why we have not started anything. We have just revised what the teacher has taught in the last lecture. Okay, so what you people are going to do, first and the most important thing, that go to your setting in the Zoom, go to the option of rename and just rename with the student name, surname, standard and division, and the roll number which is given by the teacher. Okay, in that last meeting the teacher gave the roll number. That roll number you have to rename. Name, surname, standard, division and the roll number. From the very first lecture I am telling you, please rename. The some of the student Ananya, Galaxy J7 or someone, they are not renaming. Today's first lecture we have allowed you to sit in the class, but from tomorrow if you are not renamed, we are not going to allow you to sit in the class. Yes, Moto X4, what's your problem? You can unmute. Moto X4. Moto X4. You can unmute. Yes. Who are you? Plus, first tell me your name. Is it your name, Moto X4? No, na? Then what is your child name? That rename, so that I can properly understand and I can give your questions answer in any other way. If you are not renaming yourself properly, how can I identify who is talking with me? You can see that Ovia third B. I want the parent side to be very confirm. If they don't want to talk, then why they are raising their hands and all that? Yes. Hello parents, am I audible to you? If yes, just give me the thumbs up. Moto, I gave you the 2-time chance to talk. You can unmute. Moto X4. Who is he? Moto X4. Please unmute yourself and talk. You are raising your hand. I want the thumbs up if you don't have any problem. Mehek? Yes, Mehek. Am I audible to you? If I'm audible, just give me the thumbs up.
Yes.
Okay, who was that? Mehek? Mehek, what was your problem, beta? Are you facing any problem? Krutika teacher, are you there now? Krutika teacher, you can chat. Tell me, are you there or not? Okay, parents. Ovi, how you are going to rename is, go to the Zoom setting and instead of your name, just write down name, surname, standard, division and roll number. Don't write down the name, that ROOLNO, roll number. No, just make it properly. Okay? I hope all the parents are getting my point, what I want to tell. Okay? Okay, very good. Very good, Devansh, Disha, Ishika, everyone, Jia. Okay, you all are very you are giving proper response to the teacher. Very good for that. I'm appreciating. Parents, please cooperate so that the next lectures will start properly. The teacher will start with the portion. You know that how many problems we have faced and how many days we have worked on the class clap. There you don't have the proper audio facility. That's why we have shifted to Zoom. Now in Zoom, just one thing is required, that you have to rename properly. That is your attendance. I'm again and again telling you about the attendance. That matters for me. Okay, each and every student remember that and do the needful. Now I hope all of you have understood the directions and map and everything. Okay, so today we are going to stop over here. Just say goodbye. You can type goodbye in the chat box and you can leave. Just type the goodbye in the chat box and you can leave. Very good. Ishika, goodbye beta. Mehak Salmani, goodbye. Very good. Rajveer, Kaustubh, Shivam, Jia. Very good. Galaxy J7, now you are able to hear me. Very good. Manjiri, Shrutika. Galaxy J7, so by is a BYE. Vihan, Yuvraj, Parth, Avir, Ovi, Tanishka, Arush. These all are my lovely students. They follow my instructions. Ananya, rename yourself again. Huh? Vedant, Kaustubh, Sawant, Medansh, Mehek, Shukla, Mrunmay, Amre, Aradhya, Penkar, Kritika, everyone, Sanskruti. Why I am taking your name now? Because I want to be habituated with your names. We have to make understanding. That's why. Okay? Everyone, very good. Goodbye, all of you. Ishika, very good. Bye, beta. Okay, next time when you entered in the class, I want each and every student's name, surname, standard, division and roll number. Okay? Shrutika, make it correct that roll number will be at the end and the standard division will be at the first. Okay? Nishant, goodbye. Parth, More, Arya. Mrunmay, you said na? Okay, very good, very good. Ishika, okay beta. Ishika, just add your standard also. Okay? Tanishka. Okay, I am going to stop over here. Bye everyone. Goodbye and have a nice day. We'll join again in the next lecture tomorrow's. Okay? Just add in your Zoom account name, beta. Just add in your Zoom account name. I don't want that in the chatting. You should be like Ishika Kokre, 3rd B 12. Okay? Ishika Kokre, 3rd B 12. Like this you have to rename. Okay, bye. Now I'm going to stop over here.